I'm John Larson, president of Sound Sleep Products. 27 years ago, I started in the mattress industry tape edging mattresses on a machine like this one. Today, with the help of dedicated employees, a loyal dealer base, and many happy consumers, Sound Sleep Products has grown to a vertically integrated, lean producer of quality bedding products. Sound Sleep Products was the corporate name I took when I purchased Case Lytel furniture from Bill Close in 1994. Case Lytel had been distributing mattresses in the Seattle area since the mid-1920s. Shortly after incorporating Sound Sleep Products, I purchased our first quilter and moved our operation into a 7,000 square foot facility in Tukwila. Over the period of the next 10 years, we expanded that facility to about 21,000 square feet. By 2005, we had outgrown that facility and moved into a 40,000 square foot facility in Sumner, Washington, where we currently manufacture mattresses and box springs.
Realizing the benefits of adding a nationally recognized branded product line to its already proven selection of quality bedding, Sound Sleep then partnered with the Lady Americana Group, whose affiliate locations are located worldwide.
Lady Americana was formed in 1982 by two industry executives with a lot of long-time experience with various companies within the industry. So Gene Shayer and Dot Allen got together, and what they wanted to do was sign up individual, strong mattress manufacturers who wanted to get together under a unified marketing plan and really promote their own brand.
Two most important things to Sound Sleep Products is our customers and our employees. We want to offer our customers the best value, the best service, and the best quality that is available in the market. For our employees, we want to provide a safe, enjoyable work environment that allows them to meet their personal goals.
Our employees are excited about working here because they realize that they have input, they're part of the process, and they can develop their full potential. They're not limited to single tasks. They're not even limited to current position. They're able to develop skills, advance in the company. They understand what we do, and they enjoy working here. Oh, I think the future at Sound Sleep is to continue to strive to be a valued resource to our customers and a desirable, enjoyable place to come to work.
I think a key goal for Sound Sleep Products is to partner with good quality retailers to provide the ultimate consumer a product that is going to be comfortable, serviceable, and something they'll be happy with for years into the future.
The success of Sound Sleep Products depends on your success as a retailer. To us, it's more than a business relationship, it's a partnership. Let's work together and help each other grow.